Today we're gonna make steamed fish. The ingredients are 1 pound of snapper fish, 1 pound to 1.5 pound of snapper fish, 2 stalks of scallion, 1 medium onion, 1 small tomato, 6 garlic cloves, 1 small carrot or a 1/4 pound. Now dice it. Half red pepper, half green pepper, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of basil. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of real butter, optional. You need half teaspoon of thyme, fresh thyme or dry thyme, half teaspoon of pimento seed, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. You need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 cup of water. And you also need, we're going to use okra. So you need 8 okras. So this is the fish. Make sure it's scaled properly and gutted properly and clean. And now you can add the salt. Salt inside and the side. And this together. And then you just cover it until you're ready for cook. Add all the ingredients as you see. Put a frying pot on the stove, a stewing frying pot on the stove. Add the oil. Don't put the flame on as yet. Add the oil, like that much. Then add all the seasoning. And the fish. And then I wait until now to put this. This is the parsley. And this is the basil. Add white vinegar, just a touch of this. This is the, not to make, just a touch, not to make it very spicy. Then the butter. Just put it on top like this. Add a piece of ginger to half the size of your thumb. Add the water. One cup, and then cover your pot. Now we're gonna turn the stove on, but we're gonna put it on low, and then put the stove on low. Now it's been 20 minutes. So this is finished. You can check it by eating one of these. See it all. And check it. So if the top is cooked, the bottom is definitely cooked. That's it. Steamed fish. Steamed fish. Now we're gonna add crackers. So you just take a few and sprinkle it on the top. And just cover it and let it stay until you're ready to serve. Steamed fish and crackers.
And crying, call me. Empty spirit from a world gone wild. I can be killed, drawn to steal. I see no man in my heart. The soul, the journey's full of fear and lay in darkness. Past is guilt, in Jesus forgiveness is mine. Wake up your mind. The future is mine. Wake up your mind. The future is mine. Poor mommy tried, she cried. She don't want to lose her one son. What is going to do? I live too dark in funk. School too soon. I live, woke up in the night and read. Oh, Jamaica, 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 Jamaica. Yeah. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. 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 Jamaica has its own history. No shout, no scream. My love will never end. Child of the God, yeah. Child of the God. Wearing out is my flame. Weaving hell is my flame. Weaving hell is my flame. Weaving hell is my flame. Oh, Jah walk the hell, yeah. Jah walk the hell. Oh, love for the mothers who did it themselves. Yeah. For a sight just to survive. Democracy's controlling the people's mind. They are in their life. Their plan was never for us to develop and grow like a vine. Why the government lie? Taxes no lie. Feast the time. Feast the time. Feast the time. Oh, feast the time. She dances, mama. It's not for everyone.